I'm Michael Blakey, and I'm from U.S. I'm born in the South and been fishing since before I was conscious. The last 25 years I've been a guide, mostly international. I've been really, really lucky. This, to me, this place is such an unusual place. I've been here now 13 visits. You can go a lot of places just to catch and count fish. You're missing the point if that's all you've come to do here, because there's just so much to it.
Got a pretty woman gonna treat me like an earthquake in a whirlwind. Always try to treat me tender, but bites like the cold of December. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I've been really lucky to go to wild, wild places. Really, first track sometimes. This place gives you a gift every day in some form. Some people would come here and say it's kind of a stark, vast of nothing. That nothing could be further than the truth. The guanaco and the rhea are everywhere. We've had a big wet spring this year. I've never seen margaritas, daisies, acres of them. Every year I come back and I see a new bird. I got here early in the spring and the birds are doing all these rivalry matches between the male birds and the mating rituals that I've been seeing. I can't multitask, but fishing, I can make a cast, do a little pulse of the fly, however. I can look around. I don't have to see this take. This fish you're gonna grab, man. There's nothing subtle about it. Meanwhile, you've got a bird land next to you. The place is such a wild place. It's incredibly beautiful. Here, it's just these channels and back channels and islands and cut banks and rocks in the river. So there's just so much variety here, and miles of it. There's like 40, 35 miles. This place needs rods to really know what's in the river, what's going on. A lot of people are intimidated by this place because of this wind that just blows you around. It's such a good tool to use in this river. The biggest point that I think Las Buitreras really does, it is a place to come and learn how to do it. There is no better place anywhere I've ever been or ever will be, I'm pretty sure, that you can learn as much and as quickly as you can here. It demands it, and it's fun. You're around some really good anglers. Set up behind somebody who can really make some casts and watch how he's dealing with that particular angle of the wind. There's your teacher right in front of you. Or ask the guide to show you, hey, what am I doing wrong? I just fell apart. It's hilarious. And these fish, oh my God, these fish.
Temperature rising, rising to my
right now for 3 weeks. There's not been a colored fish in the system yet. No fish I've seen has any color to it. They're just gorgeous animals. You're just interrupting their day only. It's just, they got places to go and things to do, and it's not including you. I mean, if you're lucky, it includes you. It's just so much fun. This is a jubilant lodge. I've never seen a lodge that has this chemistry consistently. Last night, we were sitting around, they were having beers and pizza, and everybody's packed and really relaxed. And I looked around the table. There were 16 people there, 9 countries. That is consistent here. UK, Canada, Norway, Sweden, French, Latvia, Venezuela. You name it, and it's consistently that way. How privileged am I to be the only American? And it's all in English. It's like the United Nations of fishing here, it really is. I'm so lucky. It's maybe the greatest gift in my life, for me personally, really. I mean, aside from my children and friends, most of them are here.